I'm going to cut this soap. Basically, I wanted to show you the way. This is only like 12 hours after I made it. It's called Pumpkin Delight. And I put yellow. And then I also put, so make sure you can see that, I also put a bit of activated charcoal right there. I was trying to make a thin line, and it's not too bad. The only thing is, though, because it's only been 12 hours, I'm thinking that's why the yellow is kind of smushing, sweeping down. Mind you, I kind of like it. I just want to show you the newest bar. It's called Pumpkin Delight. So I might wait one more day for the other loaf, because I have two, and see how that one cuts.